Well, first of all, we obviously have a lot of research work that we want to tell everybody, and this is a very good way to spread our messages. And also, when you get to meet other people that has the problems in the banks, that is when we can kind of sharpen and discuss what sort of solution we can have. And this is because you never know everything, and you never actually have all the solutions. So it's always good to talk to people who would have their issues, and also you from a different perspective, because we talk to many people. From a different perspective, you suggest solutions to people. Sometimes it's applicable from what our firm is offering, sometimes it's not, but it is just generally good to talk to different people from different banks.